guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself disappear from your videos on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your video and make sure you also have a video of just the background. I'm just going to use this video of this girl because it's just like a one colored background, so I can just use canvas later on, or I'm just going to use canvas actually. So here I'm just going to make her disappear. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video, and on this one I'm just going to place it down so I can add in a canvas. Go to color, select the color wheel, and use the color picker to select the color. And here I'm just going to select cutout, auto cutout. You can't see the difference yet, but if you move it, well, you can kind of, because the background is actually quite different. So here, when she says bye, I'm just going to let her fade out. So I'm going to make it like a little bit shorter, and I'm just going to select animation, and I'm going to select the fade out button here, and she disappears from the video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!